Hello, I'm Victor Nod. I'm the product manager of the system group, and I would like to present you our plans for the 12.6 release. Oops. Yep, like this. So you can see here our plans collected together, and I will go through the most important one that we think are the most valuable ones. Some of the issues here are more of a backend work or supporting work towards these more important issues. So let me start with the serverless debugging. This is one of our ongoing issues, actually. This is to document how developers can set up an Elasticsearch and Kibana for the developers' needs. We don't think that this is a production-ready approach, but it can help developers to debug their development, and it's only about documentation. Given the work done at the APM group on providing a GitLab managed Elasticsearch stack, we don't want to do that. This is a preliminary step, and we would like to integrate with them in the longer run. Our second issue is about project templates for JavaScript-based serverless projects. This is actually the goal with this is to get adoption from developers so we can know their needs and why their pains and how they want to use serverless. This is not related to our KNative based offering, but it's related to AWS Lambda. And we would provide here a very simple approach to mostly for front-end related developers who need some kind of backend work on AWS Lambda. Our next issue is actually a set of issues, all of these, which is related to the fact that currently we are not able to upgrade. We don't have a documented way of upgrading KNative. And this resulted in a situation that we just saw. We just shipped Cloud Run 1 month ago, and we had to roll it back 2 days later as Cloud Run upgraded the KNative from 0.7 to 0.8, and we could not support KNative 0.8. With this set of developments, we would like to support both generic KNative upgrades, and we would like to support, again, Cloud Run as much as we can. For this, one of our important features is that whenever GitLab KTL meets an unsupported KNative version, it would warn the user that his KNative is not supported and would provide guidance how to upgrade it or how to pin the use GitLab KTL to his specific KNative version if he would not like to upgrade. Once we are done with this, we would like to make it well documented how KNative can be upgraded, which is the first step to basically provide one-click upgrades or automatic upgrades, which are not part of this issue, but would be followed on later. Given we can support more recent versions of KNative upgrades and KNative upgrades themselves, we are going to upgrade our trigger mesh library, which means that we will be able finally to support Cloud Run again, hopefully for a longer time than just a few days. Finally, we have 2 more issues on our 12.6 plan. We consider these to be our stretch goals, though. These are related to our viable KNative goal, which means that having these 2 issues done, we can provide developers a very simple and easy way to get started if they have a Kubernetes cluster, to get started with KNative-based serverless. Basically, after installing KNative, we would be able to provide them an automatic subdomain using the GitLab Pages infrastructure. And in the first iteration, we can use the provided SSL certificates by them. And in later stage, we would like to add Let's Encrypt support as well. These are our plans for 12.6. And I would like to highlight a few issues that we plan for 12.7 as well, because there's one important issue we think is a bug. It's a customer bug related to Mattermost webhooks that we would like to fix in the upcoming release in 12.7. So these were our plans for 12.6. And if you have any feedback, please you're welcome to reach out to me. Thank you very much.